Hello lovies, welcome to my channel. For those of you who are new, I'm Gina. And for those of you who keep coming back every week, thank you so much. I appreciate it. So today we're going to make these really cool boho embroidered denim bracelets. For this DIY, you do not need to know how to do embroidery, and you do not need to know how to sew. That's how easy this is. I mean, you do have to sew a button on. You might have to sew a button on, depending on the size of your wrist. So, what we need for this DIY. You're going to need the cuffs off of a denim jacket or some denim fabric pieces. I had some cuffs laying around from a DIY I previously did, and I saved the cuffs knowing someday I would do something with them. You're also going to need something to cover your workspace. You're going to need some lace, some matte white fabric spray paint by Tulip. It is a fabric spray paint. It is so fun, so awesome. I did another DIY with this. I will link that below. You're going to need embroidery ribbon. Pick some up from a thrift store. Pick some up from your local Joann's Fabrics. Order some on Etsy. You might want some rubber gloves. You're going to need some fabric glue, and you're going to need a button. First, I laid down my drop cloth. I laid down my cuffs from my denim jacket. I took some vintage crochet pieces and I laid it over the denim. I grabbed my spray paint and I sprayed. And this is what we have. You don't even have to do anything else. It looks so pretty just like this. But I am going to embellish it with some embroidery. I also trimmed these a little closer to the seams. Now I'm just adding buttons to them because I have a very small wrist. It's good to add extra buttons anyway, because if you're going to sell these on Etsy or wherever, you're going to want to put extra buttons because you don't know what size wrist the people are who buy them. Plus, they look cute with the extra buttons. So now I am just laying stuff out and figuring out how I want to design these and embellish them. And so I take ribbon, embroidered ribbon, and I cut out the pretty embroidered flowers, and I just use my Fabri-Tac fabric glue and I attach them that way. So the only thing you're going to have to sew for this project is the button. I promise that's the only sewing that you're going to do, is sew on a button. And now just enjoy the process as I decorate them. It's that time again in my video when I ask you to please give me a thumbs up if you're enjoying this. Leave me a comment below and let me know if you think you'd like to try this project. And if you're enjoying these types of videos, please consider subscribing to my channel. And now for the final results. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.